receive Ray Christian F. Adviento. Honor pupils, Kinder Pearl. Our third honors is the son of Mr. and Mrs. May and Demetrios Sarceda, Simon Amir Y. Sarceda. Our second honors is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Abigail and Edward Serrano, Maria Viance P. Serrano. Bea will also receive the most responsible pupil in kinder.
Ma'am, excuse me lang po.
Our first honors is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Charlotte Ann and Ruben Malyari, Marian Laila B. Malyari. Marian will also receive the following awards: Best in Reading and Extracurricular Activities.
Baby.
Best in Writing, Candice S. Misterio.
Wait lang. Ako na ako sa
Most promising, there is Ashley F. Babaylan. Most promising pupil, Herald John D.
Pwede na pong dumaan lang. Siya na po ba?
Hindi, sige po.
Pwede na kayo.
Picture mo pa. Singilin mo. Mahal ang photography mo.
Most
35%.
cooperative, John Lawrence S. Blackwell. From Prep Ruby, our third honors is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Federico and Cristina Moreno, John Emmanuel B. Moreno. Our second honors is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. James Paul and Mrs. Myla Eusebio, Alexandra A. Eusebio. the son of Mr. and Mrs. Edward and Abigail Serrano, shall fill Craven P. Serrano. Craven will also receive the Best in Reading Award and award for extracurricular activities.
Teacher.
Most promising pupil in prep, Maria Armila Tison.